Friday is one of the hardest day in our week. Yes, it is so hard to the extent that we can work 8 to 10 hours sharp without even sitting. Yes. Then after that, we are working as we are sitting because we are hosting a lot of guests on Friday, since it is Friday and it is a weekend. So it is family gathering here in our house. So guys, just come with me and we see what's happening here on Friday. Yes, I started with washing all the fruits. We had watermelon, melon, and pineapples. So I started washing nicely with sabun. I washed everything so that everything is clean. And after that, I give it to another one to cut. Of course, that is not my work. I told you guys before, here everybody has her own work. Yes, so I gave it to her to cut since I finished the wash, and I did something else. Yes, as you can see guys, she cut everything and she prepared everything nicely. Though we cannot be that perfect. Of course, we are not professionals, but we are trying our best. After washing everything, I was really hungry, so I decided to eat some salads. Yes, I made salad for myself. As she continues to cut fruits, me, I was busy enjoying my salads. Yes, why not? This melon, guys, it was so sweet because I'm always the taster. I have to taste each and every fruit. Yeah, so that everybody should know, yeah, this is sweet. The mango was also sweet. The watermelon was sweet and juicy since it is summer. Yes, sometimes you may find the watermelon is not nice, but this time around it was so nice and juicy, so it was soft. Our mission was to make those balls, but it failed because it was very soft. So after eating, enjoying my salad, I started washing dishes. Yes, that is also my work, dishes. And of course, I'm doing it. Though sometimes it's so difficult since it is summer here in Saudi Arabia, water is very hot. So immediately from washing dishes, I blended this. Is it blending or wiping? But let me use wiping. I wipe the wiping cream. This wiping cream plus the icing sugar, they are eating it with the strawberries. Yes. So from there, let's see what our cook is preparing. Of course, I'm not the cook. We have a cook. So she was busy preparing koshari rice, sweet and sour chicken. This is pancit, and this is how exactly it looks when it is not yet cooked. Have you ever tasted pancit? Here is how it looks when it is cooked. It is a mix of vegetables and chicken. Yes, it's so yummy. We had fried chicken and french fries. This fried chicken we will put in sweet and sour chicken. That recipe is also nice. If you try it, you will love it because it's not Arabic. It's not for Arabic, but I think it is from Chinese. I don't know. This is pancit already served. This is zucchini or kusa. Yeah, something like that. It is so perfect. And this is toasty breads, deep fried. And our sweet and sour chicken, this is how it looks after adding everything together. Yes, why not? So this is all my companions. Yeah, hi everybody. So guys, from here I went direct to the big dining since I prepared it Thursday. Yes, I started preparing Thursday this table, and here I was checking what is missing, and it was so perfect. I just added fruits, and I started adding water, since it was already time for lunch. Yes, some guests were already here, and some, they are always coming late, but of course we have to wait them, but most of them, they were already here. After putting water, I lighten up the candles. Of course, we have some food that it should be hot. You cannot just leave it there, since inside have AC. So we have to put candles, and we put there so that it will be warm. And my companion here was already started bringing food, and I helped also, because of course, why not? It's too much food for bringing inside, walking out and in. It's not easy, guys. And this is always our Friday. Here are our guests. They're already here. We have grandchildren, the sons and daughters. Yeah, some of them were here already, because it was already 2 o'clock. Back to the kitchen. We have people here washing, drying. And guess what? Right now it is 5 o'clock. Yes, 5 o'clock evening. I'm going to start vacuuming. They just finished to eat everything. We just finished to keep everything back, and right now I'm not yet even eating lunch. Yes, my lunch. But after vacuuming, I'm going to eat my lunch. Of course, I'm hungry since morning. Just imagine, from 8 o'clock until now. This is what they call Friday in Saudi Arabia. Let's go and start vacuuming. And guess what? After everything finished, they eat, they throw everything, and I had to vacuum. All the carpet were full of snacks, since they have children. So I had to vacuum everything. Just imagine, since morning to this time, 2 o'clock, not yet even getting lunch. It was so damn hard. And finally, I finished everything. It was time for eating lunch. It was already 3 o'clock p.m. Yes, I ate. After eating, I cleaned this carpet. You saw me putting it in the big dining, so it was my work again to clean it. Yes, why not? As I was drinking my juice as I'm working. Yes, but finally I finished everything, and I went to the bathroom direct. This was already 8 o'clock evening. It was time for sleeping, so I decided to take a bath. But guys, guess what? The water is also hot. It's so hot, but it feels good when you're showering after a long day. So it was time for showering, brushing. Yeah, I was feeling fresh. This time I was feeling so nice. And after that, of course, this water here in Saudi Arabia is salty. So immediately after shower, you have to apply some lotion, and I'm using Vaseline. I love it because it's really nice. And this one, Vaseline, I'm using it in my face. I don't know if it is only me who's using it in a face, because it shows it is a body cream. Yes, after that, I went direct to bed. Thank you guys for watching. It was a long day. I love you guys. Bye.